Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your touch sensors of your Technics earbuds. So in the application you have to go to the settings and then you have to scroll down a little bit, go for the operation and the sounds and go to customizing the touch sensor. So here we can find action for the left and the right earbud, and you got the single tap, double tap, triple tap and also touch and hold. So for example, I would like to switch the single tap. Currently, by the way, you have to just click right here if you want to customize the right one. So tap on the right side for the right earbud. And if you want to change the play and the pause, I would like to get like a volume increase. So I have to select here. And on the single tap on the left, I want to get the volume reduce. And that's how we can basically do this for every action right here. And there's also the telephone functions. So it's all about the calls that you receive or make. And if you want to like confirm everything that you change, just click on the confirm button, and as you can see, it's finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.